Hello friends, I'm Shaurya. Welcome to my YouTube channel Fun with Shaurya. In this video, we will learn how to solve a pyraminx. So, first let's get to know the common terms used here. If I have held this pyraminx in this way, then these three, the corners are called the tips, the center ones are called the centers, and these three are called the edges. So let's scramble this. So now first we will see which face is for which color. For that we will be looking towards the tips. So in this tip there are green, yellow and blue piece. This one green, red and yellow, and this one yellow, red and blue. So you will notice in all these three, yellow color is common. So this means that this face is for yellow color. So we will bring the yellow tips here. This is for yellow color. Let's come to other face. Now in these three, this and this, which color is common? We will see that. It is green. So this face is for green. And the rest two faces will automatically come out. Now we will be looking towards the centers. This is yellow face. So we will just turn it right once more and see it came here. Our one center is solved. Then for this one, see it came here. And for this one, and on this face, our tips and centers have been solved. We will not really see here. Right now we will not check the edges, just the tips and the centers. Coming to this side, see here all the corners and the centers have been solved, and the other two sides also. Now to solve the edges, we will keep any one face down. We have to keep the pyraminx in this position. So one face will be down here. So we have to see which face to keep down. We can keep any face. So let's keep green. Now we will find green here. This is a green piece. And just adjacent to this is yellow. So we will just move it here and see it has matched with yellow. I'll explain it once more. This is green. We are looking towards green because we have kept green down. So this is green, adjacent yellow. So we will match it with yellow. Now this matched yellow is on left side. So we will do this. Right up, right, right down, up left. And then we will just match it. See, our one of the green piece has been solved. Let's find one more green piece here. See, this is it. Adjacent to green is red, and red is already matched, and it was on the left side. So right up right, right down, up left. And see, one more piece has been solved. Now you will notice that the third piece here is this one, which is down. So how to bring it up? This is simple. Just right down, right up, left up. And see, this green has been matched with blue. So up, right, down, left. And our green has been solved. Now we will keep some other color on our downside. Let's keep, for example, blue. Now we will see blue is on down. So it has matched, and so see, our blue has been solved here. One more blue, it is down. So right down, right up, left up. It is matched. So right up, left, this and here. So you will notice that our green has been scrambled, but our blue has been solved. Let's keep some other face down now. Yellow. This is yellow. Right down, right up, left up. This has been matched. So right up and this. The last yellow is here. Now see, this time it is on the right hand side. So yellow adjacent is green. So it is on the right side this time. So left up, left down, right. And our Pyraminx has been solved. Congratulations. If this video was helpful, please like it. Also share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.